Good morning, students. Our last topic of chapter 5 was left. That is the last cell organelle called vacuole. Vacuoles, which are membrane bound cell organelles. These are membrane bound. Membrane bound होते हैं means they are covered, their outer layer is made up of membrane. So they are membrane bound cell organelles which are found in both plant cells as well as animal cells. But in case of plant cells, there is a large central vacuole is present. But in case of animal cells, there are small vacuoles are present which are not central, which can be at any place in the cell. So in this chapter in this topic we will continue with the types of vacuoles. So we have mainly 3 types of vacuoles. The first one is the sap vacuole. Sap vacuole. Sap vacuole means which are commonly fluid filled vacuoles. ठीक है, उनके अंदर कोई fluid fill होता है. So they are fluid filled vacuoles and which are present in both plants as well as animal cells. In case of the animal cell and in case of some young plant cells, this sap vacuole is very small. But in case of the mature plant cells, there is a large sap vacuole is present, and the outer covering, this is the outer covering of the vacuole. This outer covering of vacuole is called tonoplast, and this sap which is filled, that is called, the liquid which is filled is called cell sap, and this cell sap, it may stores, the sap vacuole means this cell sap may contain some of the salts, sugar, amino acids and some of the nutrients which are necessary for the cell. So this is all about the sap vacuole as the first part of the vacuole. One more thing, that is the function of the cell vacuole, sap vacuole. Its sap vacuole helps in maintaining the turgidity. It helps in maintaining the turgidity as well as rigidity of the cell. दोनों में हेल्प करता है, दोनों की मेंटेन करने में हेल्प करता है. मीन्स क्योंकि जो प्लांट्स हैं वो टर्जिड भी होते हैं एंड दे आर रिजिड ऑल्सो, दे मेंटेन देयर शेप. सो दिस सेल सैप helps in maintaining the turgidity and rigidity of the cell. Now the second one is, first type is the sap vacuole, second is the food vacuole. And as you know that as the name indicates it is a food vacuole, that means it may contain some of the digested food, or we can say the single celled organisms. In the single celled, जैसे आपने single celled organism पढ़ा है, that is amoeba, because only a single cell is present in this organism. So in case of the single celled organism, there can be the food vacuoles, and the food vacuoles, they help in maintaining, they help in the digestion of the food in case of these type of organisms. Okay, and this food vacuole, they contain the ingested food particles as well as lysosomes. Means जो भी ये single celled organism है, वो जो भी food ingest करता है, that is called the ingested food, as well as some lysosomes, they are present in it, and they help in the division or help in the digestion of the food. Now the third type of vacuole, that is called the contractile vacuole. Contractile vacuole, they occur in unicellular and freshwater organisms mainly. ठीक है, they are present in unicellular and freshwater organisms. For example, in case of amoeba, paramecium, chlamydomonas, these are the unicellular organisms as well as they are freshwater organisms. This type of vacuoles are specialized to collect the liquid from the cell. ठीक है, दे आर स्पेशलाइज टू कलेक्ट द लिक्विड. वो क्या करते हैं, लिक्विड को कलेक्ट करते हैं सेल में से. दे आर कलेक्ट द लिक्विड फ्रॉम द सेल एंड दे स्वेल अप. ठीक है, स्वेल अप, तो उससे क्या होगा कि बिकॉज दे स्वेल अप एंड दे इंक्रीज देयर वॉल्यूम एंड दे कम एट द सरफेस. ठीक है, और वो क्या करेंगे, अपने सरफेस पर आ जाएंगे. एंड दे ऑल्सो हेल्प्स इन osmoregulation of the body, helps in maintaining the osmoregulation as well as they help in the excretion of the waste. Waste के excretion में means removal में भी ये help करते हैं. So these are the main three types of vacuoles, and overall functions when we discuss. So what are the overall functions of the vacuoles? The first function is, जो अभी हमने सबसे लास्ट में किया है, they help in maintaining the osmoregulation and excretion. इनमें हेल्प करता है. सेकेंड फंक्शन इज दे हेल्प इन द स्टोरेज. मेन फंक्शन उसका ये भी होता है कि स्टोर करता है. सेल से क्या कर रहा था, न्यूट्रिएंट्स को स्टोर कर रहा था, और बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जो इसमें स्टोर हो जाती हैं. थर्ड फंक्शन is they help in the we can say they are the dump house of the waste. ठीक है, they are the dump house of waste, मतलब वेस्ट इनके अंदर आके कलेक्ट हो जाएगा और फिर ये एक्सक्रीशन में हेल्प कर देंगे. फोर्थ वन इज in some of the organism they act as the food vacuole, means they help to store the food inside them. One more function, they help in maintaining the turgidity and rigidity of the cell. Turgidity और rigidity maintain करने में भी help करते हैं. And one more function, that is they help in the absorption of water. The cell sap vacuole, they help in maintaining the osmotic concentration required for the absorption of water. Means जो sap vacuole है वो क्या करता है, osmotic concentration को maintain करता है. किस और क्या कैसे करेगा वो, और वाटर की एब्जॉर्प्शन करेगा और उसकी बॉडी के अंदर ये कॉन्सेंट्रेशन, ऑस्मोटिक कॉन्सेंट्रेशन मेंटेन हो जाएगा. सो दिस इज़ द लास्ट सेल ऑर्गेनेली ऑफ दिस चैप्टर.